Hi guys, welcome back. If you're new here, hello to you too. Don't forget to like, comment, and subscribe at the end of this video. Today I will be using my Take Me Back to Brazil palette, and I'm taking that pink shade as our transition shade.
Agree to disagree. Why can't we move on from each other? You're like my therapy. I need you one way or another. I'm cleansing myself from you. You're toxic. You're bad for me. Can't you see you're different now? Hard to figure out. I'm cleansing myself from you. You're toxic. You're bad for me. Can't you see you're different now? Hard to figure out. You caught me on a late night, trying to figure out what went wrong, why I moved on. I don't have no explanation. Leave you on red. Don't have time for a
Now I'm going to go into these two orange shades and apply that to the crease as well to blend out the pink shade. Now when you're doing this, you want to take your time. Blending is key.
And I'm not sorry, I'm just real. You was plain as field, and shit got real. You never had me back, no. He picked up what you lack, and that's face, yeah. I'm cleansing myself from you. You're toxic, you're bad for me. Can't you see you're different now? Hard to figure out. I'm cleansing myself from you. You're toxic. You're bad for me. Can't you see you're different now? Hard to figure out. I had to let you go. I had to let you leave. You were bad for me. Leave me alone. Stop calling me. You're testing me. Stop stressing me. You ain't God, you ain't blessing me. You're toxic to me. Leave me alone. Don't call my phone. You're toxic to me. I'm cleansing myself from you. You're toxic. You're bad for me. Can't you see you're different?
Now to blend out the orange shade, we're going to take the yellow shade in the palette as well, and we're going to apply that to the brow bone.
You're toxic. You're bad for me. Can't you see you're different now? Hard to figure out. I don't. I don't. I don't wear makeup for a nigga. I got buy the fanciest.
So what I'm doing here is I am taking that orange shade and I'm reapplying that, because when you apply multiple colors you tend to lose one of them, and always when you blend multiple colors together you want to take that color that you applied before to blend out the color that you used after. And here I am taking the purple, and this is going to be where we cut our crease. So we're going to apply the purple and we're going to blend it out with the pink shade.
And I'm unavailable. I'm unavailable. I don't wear makeup for a nigga. I won't buy the fanciest shoes for a nigga. Shit, I hate doing my hair most days. I just like to chill on my off days. I won't buy clothes for a nigga. I won't get my nails done for a nigga. Shit, I get it cute for me. No guy influence me. You see this bad chocolate thing on his timeline. Yeah. He heard through the grapevine that I'm treasure inside a gold mine. He said he wanna be mine, but I can't love you. I'll be out by the morning. I know your ex gon' show up, and she's crazy. You told me, I mean I'm actually crazy. She phoned me. He said his name was Tony. He was my side on the regular. Then I friend zoned him a couple months later. I didn't owe him loyalty, but he won't find another me. No, he won't find another me. She be a bootleg version of me, a clone of me, but she would never be me, no, no. She would never be me, no. I don't wear makeup for a nigga. I won't buy the fanciest shoes for a nigga. Shit, I hate doing my hair most days. I just like to chill on my off days.
So to cut the crease, I'm using my LA Pro Girl Concealer in the color Fawn. And I'm also taking foundation from LA Girl. I'm not too sure what the color is, but I will post that in the description box. So before in my last video, I explained to you guys how to do a cut crease. So if you guys would like a more in-depth tutorial on how to cut a crease, let me know in the comment section and I will have no problem doing that video for you guys. So when you apply your crease, you always want to take a clean brush and just pat it out so you can avoid creases. So here I'm taking my W7 palette in the neon lights, and I'm taking that silver shimmer color to apply that as our base before we apply our glitter.
Nails done for a nigga. Shit, I get cute for me. No guy influence me. You must have mistaken me for your host, the itty bitty titty committee. Congratulate yourself. If we switch genders, I'd be more of a man than you. Don't call my phone, I'm unavailable.
Hello, no one is available to take your
Don't
call.
call my phone, I'm unavailable.
Please leave a message after the
I'm
tone.
unavailable. I don't wear makeup for a nigga. I won't buy the fanciest shoes for a nigga. Shit, I hate doing my hair most days. I just like to chill on my off days. I won't buy clothes for a nigga. I won't get my nails done for a nigga. Shit, I get it cute for me. No guy influence me. You see this bad chocolate thing on his timeline. Yeah. He heard through the grapevine that I'm treasure inside a gold mine. He said he wanna be mine, but I can't love you. I'll be out by the morning. I know your ex gon' show up, and she's crazy. You told me, I mean I'm actually crazy. She phoned me. He said his name was Tony. He was my side on the regular. Then I friend zoned him a couple months later. I didn't owe him loyalty, but he won't find.
So to apply our glitter today, I am taking my lash glue by Duo and I'm applying that to the area where we cut our crease.
She would never be me, no, no. She would never be me, no. I don't wear makeup for a nigga. I won't buy the fanciest shoes for a nigga. Shit, I hate doing my hair most days. I just like to chill on my off days.
Okay guys, a big tip is shop at Marshalls and TJ Maxx. I found this glitter kit by NYX, and it came with 3 colors. It came with a black glitter, a silver glitter, and a blue glitter. And also it came with the NYX glitter primer. Literally only, it was like $5. So literally, I'm telling you guys to go shop at Marshalls and TJ Maxx. They have everything. The color that I used on her eye was Crystal.
When I text you, don't reply. But when you want that Netflix and chill, you hit me up with no hesitation. Hitting up other girls in rotation. But I bet you feel frustration when I stop showing you.
Now to define the crease, I'm going back in that purple shade and putting that right on top of where we cut our crease.
He wants that Netflix and chill. He's a Netflix and chill kind of nigga. Yeah. He wants that Netflix and chill. Netflix and chill. You're probably sitting in your room with the lights rolled dim, hitting me in my DM, wondering where I've been. I got you hooked like a drug now. Oh, you're sweating now. You feel some type of way now. You turn up on a Tuesday and have a new woman crush Wednesday. But I bet I forget you on Friday and have a new man Monday. I bet I have a new man Monday. He wants that Netflix and chill. He's a Netflix and chill kind of nigga. He wants that Netflix and chill.
Her lashes are from our local hair supply store. The brand is called Broadway, and these are in the shape 102. And yeah, they were only like $2. So go cop some.
He's a Netflix and chill kind of nigga. Yeah, yeah.
So for foundation today, I am taking my Maybelline Fit Me in the color 335, and I'm taking my Real Techniques brush and I'm just blending that out evenly on her face.
Move on from each other. You're like my therapy. I need you one way or another. I'm cleansing myself.
So for concealer today, I'm taking my LA Pro Glow concealer in the color Fawn. I always use a color closest to the client's complexion to cover up any dark circles. Then I will go in with my LA Pro Glow foundation, and I will take a lighter shade to highlight their main points of their face, as their cheeks, their nose, their forehead, and their chin.
Hard to figure out. You caught me on a late night, tryna figure out what went wrong, why I moved on. I don't have no explanation, leave you on red, don't have time for a conversation. You said it's all my fault, yeah. You're only sorry cause you got caught. Don't say you love me cause I know it's fake. This wasn't fate, you know I'm an info. You know he won, would you let go? And I'm not sorry, I'm just real. You was playing the field, and shit got real. You never had me back, no, no. He picked up what you lack, and that's face, yeah. I'm cleansing myself from you, you're toxic. You're bad for me, can't you see? You're different now, hard to figure out. I'm cleansing myself.
For powder today, I'm taking my Airspun powder and I'm just placing that on top of the areas that we conceal.
Hard to figure out. I had to let you go.
And I'm also going to apply the Airspun powder all over the face as well to keep the client from getting oily throughout the night. Now to bronze, I am going to take my e.l.f. palette. And it actually comes with 2 highlights and 2 bronzers, but the highlights are not good at all. Sorry, e.l.f. But the bronzers and the contour is perfect. So we're going to take that to add more color to your client's face. And I forgot to mention that I did place that purple shade that we used in our cut crease to place on the bottom lash line. And now I am adding the Maybelline Master Chrome highlight, and I am placing that in the corners of her eyes.
Cleansing myself from you, you're toxic, you're bad for me, can't you see?
Always when you're done with your client's face, you always want to spray a setting spray, and you want to make sure that your client's eyebrows are neat, because when you tend to do makeup, you tend to bump them. So just go back and just retouch them. And for highlights today, we are going to use the Fenty Beauty highlight in the color Trophy Wife. And we are just going to go crazy with this, because this highlight is so pretty.
You're everything I ever wanted, so why can't we agree to disagree? Why can't we move on from each other? You're like my therapy, I need you one way or another. I'm cleansing myself from you, you're toxic, you're bad for me, can't you see? You're different now, hard to figure out. I'm cleansing myself from you.
And for gloss today, we are taking the NYX Butter Gloss in the color Fortune Cookie. This is my favorite color. Like, NYX lip gloss is just the best thing out. If you don't know, honey, go get you some, because it will change your life.
I don't have no explanation, leave you on red, don't have time for a conversation. You said it's all my fault.
And that is the finished look. I really appreciate you guys for watching. Don't forget to like, comment, and subscribe. Bye.
Ooh, are you that type of guy with your Rolex on the side and 3 side bitches that you can't even deny?